Greetings, I'm Saurabh, here to share some wisdom on the digital frontier. I'm here today to provide you with the ultimate guide to financial freedom in the digital age. We'll be diving into an exploration of various strategies, covering everything from e-commerce to blogging, affiliate marketing to online tutoring, and beyond. We'll look at how these methods can be combined and leveraged for maximum profit potential. This comprehensive guide is designed to provide you with the tools and knowledge to navigate the online marketplace successfully. So sit tight, buckle up, and prepare to take notes. Today, we'll delve into 10 ways to earn $100,000 online. Strap in because this journey is about to take off. 1. Affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products not your own, but of others on digital platforms. Imagine being a salesperson in the cyber world, but without the traditional door-to-door sales strategy. Instead of physically selling, you focus on online promotion of items. It's all about sharing a specific link to a product on your platform. This link is the bridge between the buyer and the seller, the means of introducing the product to potential buyers. When a buyer clicks on your link purchases, you're rewarded with a commission. It's as if you're being paid for your influence and reach. And the best part? The process is straightforward. You share a product link, someone clicks, they buy, and you get a cut. Simple as that. 2. Blogging. Yes, even in the year 2024, blogging continues to be a thriving activity. Despite the proliferation of other digital platforms, it has maintained its relevance. It's a versatile medium where you can communicate, share your ideas, experiences, and knowledge with a global audience. A significant aspect of blogging is its potential for monetization. Various methods can be employed for this purpose, such as running advertisements, creating sponsored posts, or even marketing your own unique products. The success lies not just in monetization, but in offering substantial value to your audience. Building a trustful relationship with your readers is essential. The key is to provide value and build an audience that trusts you. 3. Dropshipping. This increasingly popular model of e-commerce is quite similar to operating your own virtual storefront, yet it cleverly eliminates the burdensome aspects of stock management. In essence, you present and sell a variety of products to consumers through your platform, and yet you don't deal with any of the logistics associated physical inventory. Instead, your supplier, who could be located anywhere in the world, takes care of the shipping and delivery details. This makes your job considerably easier and more streamlined. Your focus, marketing and customer service. 4. Online courses. This is the era where the thirst for knowledge knows no bounds and your expertise can become a source of income. Imagine you being an expert in a certain field, can share your wisdom, your years of experience, and your unique insights. What if you can do so on a global scale and get paid doing it? This is indeed possible. Modern-day platforms like Udemy or Coursera are specifically designed to assist you in this venture. These sites don't just provide a teaching platform, they extend your reach beyond physical limitations, bringing your virtual classroom to students all over the globe. A platform where knowledge is monetized and learning is limitless. Why keep your knowledge to yourself when you can impart it to the world and earn as well? Websites like Udemy or Coursera can help you reach students worldwide. 5. Stock photography. Do you find yourself easily engrossed in the beauty of the world through your camera lens? Maybe you have a knack for capturing emotions, moments, or breathtaking landscapes in a single shot. If so, have you ever considered turning this passion into an entrepreneurial venture? There is an abundance of websites on the internet that are constantly on the hunt for high-quality, captivating images to add to their collection. Among these, Shutterstock and Getty Images stand out as leading platforms in this field. They offer photographers, both amateur and professional, a marketplace to sell images to a worldwide audience. So your love for photography, combined with a little bit of business acumen, can potentially transform your casual hobby into a lucrative enterprise. Got an eye for capturing stunning images? Websites like Shutterstock or Getty Images can turn your photography hobby into a profitable business. 6. Freelancing. In this modern age, companies are in a constant quest for talented individuals who can contribute to their success. The digital marketplaces such as Upwork and Fiverr have made it easier for freelancers to connect with potential clients. These websites act as bridges, connecting talent with the companies that need it. Irrespective of your skill set, be it graphic design, creative writing, or coding, there's always a demand for your talent. These platforms present a plethora of opportunities. The key is to find a niche that suits your skills and interests and then market yourself effectively. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr can connect you with clients who need your skills, whether it's graphic design, writing, or coding. 7. YouTube channel. What's interesting about this platform is that it isn't exclusively vloggers or gamers, as some may think. In reality, the scope of YouTube is incredibly varied, accommodating a diverse range of content from cooking shows and DIY tutorials to academic lectures and fitness instructions. The common denominator that binds these creators, they all have the potential to provide entertaining or educational content. And what exactly does entail? Well, when done effectively, your content can start attracting viewers, thereby increasing your visibility. Consequently, you can tap into lucrative opportunities like ad revenue and sponsorship deals, which can indeed bring in a considerable income. 8th, the world of podcasting. Imagine having a deep, resonant voice perfect for radio and a topic that gets your heart racing every time you think about it. Envision yourself behind a microphone, chatting away about the things that light your fire. That's what podcasting can offer. Potential to turn a conversation into revenue can be quite remarkable with the ability to monetize every detail. This revenue could be generated through sponsorships from interested third-party companies, generous donations from engaged and loyal listeners, or by creating and selling your own exclusive merchandise. Indeed, podcasting can be your goldmine. 9. Social media influencing. In the digital age, this realm has grown astronomically. If you're someone blessed with the ability to create stimulating, innovative content that effortlessly captures the attention of your audience, you're already on the path to becoming a social media influencer. A strong social presence isn't just about numbers, but about engagement. Having a sizable following is important, but so is interaction. The likes, shares, and comments that your content generates. Brands recognize such influence and its potential to drive consumer behavior. As such, brands are willing and indeed eager to pay significant amounts of money for your endorsement. And finally, we step into the realm of selling digital products. Our 10th point. The sphere of digital products is incredibly vast and diverse. It can encompass a broad spectrum of items. Think about ebooks, for instance, the digital version of traditional books, a product that is taking the world of literature by storm. You can also consider music an intrinsic part of our lives. Musicians are now selling their music online directly to their listeners, or consider the backbone of our modern digital infrastructure. There's a multitude of software kinds benefiting multiple industries. Essentially, if you can create it, you can sell it. So there you have it, 10 ways to earn $100,000 online. This digital universe is a goldmine. Whether it's affiliate marketing or selling digital products, opportunities are abundant. You need creativity, dedication, and hustle. The only limit is the one you set on your earnings. This is Saurabh, signing off. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep earning.